Hello, this is Cara, and if you're new here, my name is Cara Brandon, and I have an Etsy store called CaraBrandonCreations. I make digital kits, and on Fridays, I've been doing my Freebie Fridays, and right now they are coordinating with the December daily prompts that we have. I can link that video below, and this week, these are the images that coordinate. So let's see, we have the 17th today, special event. So I just put some little words, moments like this, special event, special memory, recital. A lot of recitals going on this time of year, memories and gifts. And then wrapping presents, I have some watercolor presents here, food, I have a cookie and teapots, coffee pot. What else? We have Santa, and for Santa, find an image or create one using Santa. Oh, create one. I think I have a typo there, using Santa supplies. So here's an image of Santa if you didn't want to make your own Santa. And then road trip, I have this for like an interstate and directions, with some luggage, family get together. I have some board games and the word board game, and yeah, and then I think after that is the next one. But these are the images. I don't have my pictures ready for the special event, and this year it's kind of strange. My kids, usually they have like a recital or something with school or singing or, you know, something, but that will actually be next semester. They'll both be in music, I think. So yeah, it's kind of strange because we don't have anything like that right now, but I might just kind of get the page ready, because I think I'll have some pictures after the weekend, because my kiddos are going to a couple friend get-togethers, and so I think this year that might be our special moment, unless we do something like go see lights. We're just living it up over here. Kind of boring, not a lot. I feel like we're still kind of living the COVID life a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna cut that out for moments like this. And, I don't know. I think I'm gonna use this cookie also, and maybe even, the stocking is just there for fun. So I think I'm gonna cut these out just as little embellishments for the page. And then I think I will put a journaling card here, and then we'll kind of wait until my pictures are, you know, printed or taken. First of all, they have to be taken. I kept telling myself, oh, I'm going to be better this December. I'm going to take more pictures. Do you think I've done it? No. And then I'm like, dang it. I forgot to take pictures. Like the other day, I was wrapping presents, and in the prompt, it says, you know, to take pictures before, during, and after to kind of see the chaos of it all. And did I do that? No. I think I was in a crunch for time because I wanted to get them wrapped before the kids came home, and it's half days, so I wanted to get them done because I think it's fun for them to come home and say, oh, look, there's more presents under the tree. Anyway, so no, I did not take the pictures like I keep telling myself, take more pictures. And then once I have the pictures, I have to kind of fight with my little printer thing to get it to cooperate. It's not my favorite thing. It has something to do with like not wanting to connect to its server. I don't know. It just takes forever. All right, so I have this little bit of images, and then let me grab a few more things. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went through my stuff, and I think I'm gonna put this on this page, and then I could put a picture behind here, you know, I could. Oh, is this stuck now? Oh man, that might be glued on there. Oh no, there we go. I could, if I get a little picture, put it there. But I'll have options. And then I also am thinking I'm gonna make this so that my tag can go right here. Like that. And then this can dangle down on the bottom. I might even kind of put this so it's sticking out just a smidge. All right, glue, 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 glue. So let's glue this on. The nice thing about having all these things ready to go from the 5 days of Christmas, and then this I actually made in the live using up my scraps, is that it's ready. You know, you don't have to then take all the time to make cute things because they already did. They're already ready to go. And that with a couple of images from the freebie, and it sure makes it a lot faster. All right. Turn on a Christmas movie, and there you go. All right, and then for now, like that one, I'll either journal on this one, probably journal, and talk about what the kids did, and then put the picture on the other one. And I like how that kind of flips out and is interactive. It's fun. You know what? I think it looks like I need a little glue right here. Stick that down. Okay, and then I found this that I had sewn around, and I'm going to use these guys. And I think I'm just going to add a little cluster just right down here. Looks like I need to do some inking really quick. Oops. Like that, and ink around this one. Do I want something as a little base behind it, or just kind of stick these on? How about some of this fabric? It matches very nicely. I think I'll leave the fun pinking sheer edge. I might trim this down just a little bit. And then this can go behind. And then we can kind of place this over and kind of just collage it. Like that. Oh, come on, glue. Like that. So if you haven't, you can go join Cara, Brandon, and Friends to get the download. Starting probably, I was hoping for January, but it's looking like that might not happen. So February, I'm going to be hopefully launching my new, I'm going to have a website and a newsletter, and the newsletter and website will be how you can get the new freebies. So if you are not a Facebook person, you won't have to, you know, worry, because I know this last year several people are like, well, what if I don't have Facebook? And it was kind of a bummer because it wasn't, you know, set up like that for now. And then I just didn't really want to put them on my YouTube channel. So anyway, come February, it will be on, probably on my website, but it will come out as a newsletter. I don't know if that's making sense. But yeah. And hopefully I'll have the link below now for the sign up for the newsletter, but if not, check for it in the next couple weeks. But I'm going to try and link it below so you can get ready. It's not totally set up yet. You will get a, hey, thanks for signing up, but I'm not sending anything out yet because I'm still getting prepared. But if you want to, you know, also get prepared with me, and then when it starts, you'll be good to go, check the description. Okay, so I'm just going to do the one day for today. Not so fun because I don't have my pictures ready, but here's the rest. And I hope you have fun working on your December daily, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon. All right, have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.